Hi everyone. Now I want to show you how you can easily share your Wi-Fi with people without having to give them the Wi-Fi password. Sometimes it could be tiring to state your Wi-Fi password to friends and family who visit you. If that is your case, I want to show you how you can share your Wi-Fi with friends and family without having to go through the stress of sharing the password. Now, this is applicable for all Samsung Galaxy phones. Now, let me show you how to get that. Swipe upwards, tap on the settings, tap on connections. Now you will see your Wi-Fi there or your network. Tap on the network. I'm going to tap on it. Now tap on the settings here beside your Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to tap on it. Now this opens, you will see down here QR code. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the QR code. You will need to verify your identity here. If you're using a PIN or password, you need to verify your identity. So I'll just verify my identity. And here it is, the QR code. So you can just go ahead and download it. Over here, down here, you'll see save as image. So you can save it as an image, or you can even share the QR code. So you can save it, then print it and place somewhere in your home whereby people just come in and scan. So you don't have to share the password. If this video helped you, please subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.